Hello guys, so this is our fourth episode of CSS full tutorial in Tagalog and English. So this in this video we'll be talking about margin and padding. So let's open up our Visual Studio Code. I already set up mine, so I don't have any styles. So let's just add internal styles in here, and we don't have any content. So let's just minimize this Visual Studio Code and let me adjust the height first, and then let's open up our browser. We don't need to view in a preview because we are using devtools in here. So let me just open this one in incognito tab. And then let me just let me just put this on this side para makita nyo talaga siya sa kabila. Ayan. So let's close this one. So at the moment we don't have any content inside our body. So let me just add a div here with the class, and we pass wrapper as our class name. So I am selecting wrapper in here and add some styles on it. So I think I'm gonna add a border of 1 pixel solid black. Ayan. So let me just add a height of 100 pixels and width oops, width of a 100 pixels as well. So it's gonna create a box inside our page. So let me just refresh this one in. So we have a box inside. So ano ba ang padding at ano ba ang margin? So margin specifically is for your box. So pag nilagyan ko ito ng margin at the top, yung box is bababa siya. So let me just add a margin on top of it for about 25 pixels. Ayan, bababa yung box natin. Pag nilagyan ko ng box naman sa left side, of course, mag-a-adjust siya from left to right. Ayan, refresh lang natin. So, um, I'm gonna explain to you what devtools is all about. So, devtools, we just right click and inspect. So, devtools, and we can debug right in our designs. Of course, you can debug your JavaScript implementation here as well. So let me try to add an alert. So this is coming from the dev tools. Yan. So yan yung JavaScript. Ito yung you can interact with the console. You can add a function. You can add an implementation series like let x equals 1, tapos let y equals 2, tapos y plus 2. Ayan, naging yeah, it's 4. It's because y equals 2 at plus 4 plus 2 equals 4. So y plus x equals 3. So supposedly it's equal to 3 because x equals 1 and y equals 2. So let me just rephrase this one. It's not a JavaScript core. So let me go back to the elements. So what I have here, so I will be debugging the box design. Let me just click this one. This will be a selector for an element of your page. So let me select our box. This just click the box. This box styled and called as a wrapper. So as we can see here, we have the style in here. We applied border. As you can see, we have the same styles applied to it. We have margin top of 25 pixels and margin left of 25 pixels. So um, this is what called a box model. So as you can see, we have a box model in here. So we apply 25 margin on top and on the left as well. So we have a border. As I hovered on the box model, ayan, mag-highlight din yung UI or yung box natin. So we applied margin on top, we applied margin on the left, and we have a border of 1 pixel solid black. Ayan. Pwede rin i-change natin ito ng color. Ayan, green. Pwede rin red. So we don't have any padding inside. So you, as you can see in here, it is a self-explanatory, right? So we have a box, 100 pixels for height and width. So itong padding is mag-apply siya inside your box while the margins applies outside your box. Why? Why is it inside? Because the border is in here. If we try to add padding, this will become larger. So let me try to add the padding in here, padding for about 50 pixels. So as expectedly, yung box natin biglang lumaki. It's because we added a padding inside. Ayan. So si margin is nasa labas lang siya. That's the difference between margin and the padding. So yung margin is outside, yung padding is inside. So let's try to add the content. The content is this one, itong 100 by 100, 100 by 100. So let's add another content inside, and then let's call this one a class of content. And then let's try to add each one for hello. And so as you can see here, we have 100. So I am expecting this hello will be inside this blue blue box yan. Itong box na yan, yung blue na box na yan inside that box. I'm expecting to say hello that inside. So let me just yan. So what happened was the padding was gone. It's because when we try to refresh the page, it will go back to the default styling. So let me add the padding of 50 pixels. Ayan. So let me just refresh the page. Ayan. So I am expecting, ayan, we can see the hello. So inside that box, yung outline niya, pwede rin nating lagyan ng border. So let me just add another styling here for the content, and we are adding border of 1 pixel solid red. And then let's refresh the page. Ayan. So if we try to hover on the 100 by 100 box, ayan. So as you can see, may overlapping yung box natin. I think we are giving 100 height. So paano ba i-fix yung overlapping low? So let's try to overflow hidden. So let me save that one, refresh the page. Yeah, it's because we are giving the height of fix even though nag-overlap siya. So let me fix that one by overflow hidden as an important, I think. Let me save that one and refresh the page. Ah, I think it's not fixing it, but it's not a big deal on this example. Let me try to add it in here because I am thinking that the overflow was under. Yep, I think it's under the box. So let me just save that one and then refresh the page so it's not fixing it. So I think the only reason I am having an issue with this one it's because I am giving the exact height. So let me just delete this one and let's give this a height of auto. Ayan, so save natin tapos refresh. I am expecting to see that once gonna fix. It's because the height was set to auto while the width was set to 100. As you can see, yung height niya is 81.875. So we are assigning or we are giving uh, the height specifically 100 even though the height of the box is just 81.875. That's why um the difference between 100 and 81 was that overlapping. So that will be the fix for that one. So we are seeing a perfect square here. I think that's the difference between margin and the border. So see, margin is outside, and then while the padding is inside. I think that's the main point of this video. I think naliwanagan kayo. So don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I hope you learn from me. Thanks for watching, guys. Kita kits sa next video. Thank you.